So I believe a lot of people that are currently on the Bless Network would have known one or two things about the recent guide on their staking. All right. So as you approach the Bless mainnet, now they have actually been able to bring out some information for you guys. So we want our community to win long term with us. All right. So initial staking gives you the chance to earn more for supporting the Bless long term vision. All right. Now these are what you basically need to know. So how to earn more of the time pool. All right. Now the total supply of the time is about 100 million time per seasonal chapter. Now also they mentioned that total supply of this chapter, all right, this is chapter 0, represent about 8.5% of the total Bless supply, and the time is burned after each chapter when redeemed for Blessed. All right, and you can see right here, staking decides how big your slice of the airdrop pool is. This is something a lot of people did not know. All right, and to this extent, I feel like they made a mistake of not really mentioning most of this before time. All right, especially the last part right here where they say staking decide how big your slice of the airdrop pool is. Now this is something that they brought out. All right, if you check very well, this is their staking duration on their airdrop impact. All right, and this has actually been sent out to a lot of people, which have actually been able to go through it, and I can tell you most people are not really happy about it. All right, so this is what I said. Now for zero staking, you're not getting any boost at all, and that is really bad. Now for just about 3 months staking, you're getting 3x boost, and for about 12 months staking, you're actually getting about 8x boost, and for 8 months staking, you're getting 15x boost. So this is the option that is only available for those that are actually going to be staking right here, and a lot of people are already complaining. All right, so they say first of all, you can pay us our participation and then we stake. All right, so fairness, gentlemen, fairness, which is basically correct. Now nobody has received anything from the Bless Network, and they're asking us to stake, and then our staking is basically going to have a big slice on their impact or on their airdrop. Now this is something that a lot of people were not really interested in knowing or getting info about. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see this is how they explain their maths workout. All right, so they said about 100 million time and total, and you can see right, they say there's 100 million time total and over 850 million Bless for chapter 0. Now 100 million and we have 850 million Bless for chapter 0. Now if you check right over here, that's about 50% of the people stake for 12 months. That's about 8x boost, and for 50% of the people who claim instant 1x boost. All right, now if you come back a little bit, here is the simple calculation. All right, you can see right here, this is the 50 right here, this is about 50% people, and then times 8 is actually going to give us this amount, which is about 400 with. All right, and instant claimers is about 50 times 1, which is going to give us about 50 exactly. Now if you add this up together, it is going to sum up to about 450. Now we are going to be splitting it by the pool. Now if you come over here, they say the stakers, all right, are about 400 deducted, or should I say divided by 450, that's about 88.9% of the 850 Bless, which is going to be reserved. Now the instant claimers is about 50 divided by 450, you're actually going to be getting about 11.1% of the 850 Bless. So this is something that you need to know. Users will see their allocation on their release and also on the redemption page, and their final Bless token allocation after the redemption phase. All right, so why staking actually matters, they actually staked it out right here. Some come for the mission, while others are basically coming for their own airdrops. So this is supposed to be something that is being mentioned earlier and sooner for a lot of people to get access to and know before they get themselves involved in mining or participating on the Bless Network. So this is really a bad decision, or really a bad news. So this is really a bad news for a lot of people who is already on the Bless Network. And mind you, if you are not staking, that means you're basically not getting any good impact on the Bless airdrop. So that is something I want you all to know. And also please make sure to drop your own opinion in the comment section, what you think about this, and if you are mining this particular airdrop currently.